Hey guys, welcome back to Six Sister Stuff. Today I'm making a healthier dish. It's called Instant Pot Pesto Chicken and Potatoes. So I'm Kristen, I am the second sister from sixsisterstuff.com, and every Monday I share with you a new Instant Pot recipe. But today, because it's the new year, I'm sharing with you something a little bit healthier. So I'm gonna share with you Instant Pot Pesto Chicken and Potatoes. Now this recipe is so easy to make. You're first gonna cook your chicken and potatoes and then add the pesto and Parmesan on top. And literally, that's all there is to it. So if you're ready to make this easy recipe, let's head on over to my Instant Pot and I'll show you how I do it. We are first going to use the saute button. So once you push the button, you wait for it to get hot and then you add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now once it does get hot, I like to take it out and kind of mix it around so all the hot oil goes around the whole surface of the bottom. Next I'm going to add 3 chicken breasts. You can add 4 chicken breasts, but I feel like that's a little tight, so I'm adding 3 large chicken breasts. Now once they are kind of easy to pull off, that's the perfect time to flip them over. It's about 3 minutes or so on each side. Now once the other side has cooked for about 3 minutes and it comes off pretty easy, you're gonna add about a cup of chicken broth. I added 2 cups here because I just used the whole can. Next you're going to scrub potatoes, cut them right in half. Now you don't have to stab the potatoes because they are cut in half, they won't explode. So now it's time to put your lid on. Make sure your knob is turned to ceiling and we're going to set the timer. Now because it's on saute, you want to push cancel to cancel the saute, and then you can push pressure cook or manual, and we're going to 10 minutes. Now I let it release on its own for a few minutes and then I turn the knob for a quick release. Now go ahead and open the lid when all the pressure is done releasing, and your potatoes and chicken should be done perfectly. Now you can stab your potato just to make sure it is all the way cooked through. So I'm going to take my pot out and drain it right now so I can add my 2 tablespoons of pesto and about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of Parmesan, depending on how much you want to use. So here's the tricky part. You're going to mix very carefully and kind of just put the cheese and the pesto all over the potatoes and the chicken. This will take an extra minute or so, but once you get going, it will become pretty easy. Now I love this meal because you get a main dish, which is your chicken, and then also a side dish next to it, which are the potatoes. And it's one of the simplest, easiest recipes you can make in your Instant Pot. Now I like to add a little bit more Parmesan on top. You can also add some salt and pepper, but I feel like the pesto has a lot of flavor, and so I didn't add any to my dish today. Alright you guys, that's all I have for you. If you are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and push that bell to get all the notifications every time I post. Now I have a fun recipe coming up for you on Friday, so you won't want to miss that one. Alright you guys, I'll see you later. Bye!